So a transport company purchased 5 trucks, 2 lakhs of each, on 1st April 2007. The company observes calendar year as its accounting year. On 1st October 2009, one truck is involved in an accident and is completely destroyed. Insurance company pays 90 in full settlement of the claim. On the same day, company purchased another used truck for 1 lakh and spent 20,000 for overhauling. That means total value is 1 lakh 20,000. Prepare truck account for the 3 years ending on December 2010 if the company writes off depreciation at 20% per annum on the original cost method. So this is exactly like a problem number 10. So just have a problem number 10 in front of you and try to solve this one because it is as easy as the 10th problem. So same, all the steps you are going to do the same. There it was 10 trucks, now here it is only 5 trucks. That's the only difference. Okay. Now move on to the 14th sum. Charan and Company bought a machinery for 4 lakhs 80 on 1st January 2005. They depreciated the same at 10% per annum under written down value method. Written down value means reduced balance method or diminishing balance method.
Diminishing balance method.
Yeah, diminishing. All the three are same. Written down, reduced or diminishing ante moodu okate. So on 31st December 2008, they wanted to change the method. So here this is change of method problem. So they wanted to change the method depreciation from diminishing balance method to straight line method with a retrospective effect without changing the rate. Show the asset account from 2005 to 2009. The accounts are closed on 31st December every year. So here we are changing the method with a retrospective effect. So whenever it is like that, then you should be little bit careful about it. So here it is something retrospective effect, not like a regular thing. It is a retrospective effect. So whenever he says a retrospective effect, then you are going to go for showing the difference in depreciation. Mamulga, if it is like without a retrospective effect, how you have to identify whether it is retrospective or whether it is without retrospective means, remember, if it is with the retrospective, compulsory he will mention the word that this is change of method problem with the retrospective effect ani cheptadu. If he is not using the word retrospective ante, then it is simply we are changing the method, no adjustments we will make anamata. But if it is retrospective ani annappudu matram compulsory some adjustments have to be done in the accounts. So అవి ఏంటి అనేది ఇప్పుడు మనం చూస్తాం. But as of now, as because it is a retrospective effect, he didn't give much assets, he only gave one asset. So of that asset only we have to prepare. So that's why I'm not going with any table. Directly I'm getting into the account. Okay. So when did we purchase our first asset? In 2007,
5.
1st January. On the first day itself, we
5, ma'am. We purchased 5.
5.
5
5.
7 kada.
Yes.
So 2005.
1st January, ma'am.
Yeah, 1st January. So we'll write to bank. I'm not writing machine 1 or 2
Bank.
something because only one asset we are doing here. So it's how much? 1,40,000, 4 lakhs 80,000. Now here I said there is no adjustment. We are only looking about one asset. So directly I'll go for calculating what?
Depreciation.
Depreciation as on 31st December. So it is what? By depreciation. Now what is the method we started with? What is the method we started with?
Diminishing balance method.
Diminishing balance method. So here, the first year, however, it is not important what is the method we are following, but the how many months we used the asset is important. So 4,80,000 into 10% is the depreciation value into how many months I used my asset. So that I'll see. So
12
1st
months,
January,
ma'am.
yeah,
12
1st
months.
January to 31st
12
December
months.
means 12 months we used it. So it will be how much? Simply 48.
48,000.
So what will be the balance?
48,000.
Yeah, what will be the balance carried down then?
4 lakhs 32,000.
4,32,000.
4
4
lakhs
lakhs
32,000. So I am done with this one. So I'll just draw the lines. So you people are going to, if you have a textbook, you are going to underline two things. One is 31st December 2008, and second one is retros with the retrospective effect. Wherever he said use the word with the retrospective effect, that we have to do it. Yeah, 14th one I'm doing. Now, as it is, next year we'll move on. So next year, what is the next year now? It is 2006, 1st
6, ma'am.
January. So we'll write to
January.
balance brought down
2 balance brought down.
4,32,000.
4,32,000.
Now here it becomes very important that what is the method we are following. So 31st December by depreciation. Now which method we are following? DBM method, means diminishing balance method. Now you tell me, diminishing balance method means the depreciation is calculated on original value or reduced value?
Reduced value.
Reduced value.
Reduced value is 4,32,000 into 10%. I'm going to do it. So how much I'm going to get?
4,32,000, ma'am.
43,200.
200.
100.
So balance carried down how much? By balance carried
3,88,800.
1,800. So this second year also I'm done with it. So I'm going to draw the lines here. Now this is done. Again in 2007 I'll come here. So 2007 also we didn't go for any kind of
7.
change. So directly I'm going to take as to balance
First,
brought
2
down,
balance brought down.
which is 3,88,800. So as it is, we are
2,800.
as it is, we are going to take what? Depreciation. So 2000
Depreciation.
31st
7.
December.
31st December.
By depreciation, again get here DBM
By
method
depreciation.
only. Again DBM method. So how much it will? DBM method means 3 lakhs.
38,880.
Yeah. And to 10
Into
percent.
10.
So which will be 38,880. So what will be the balance?
880.
By balance carried down will be
3,49,920.
okay. This much, no? Fine. Now I'll close this one and I'll go. It's a change of method, Elifa. We are following straight line as well as we are following diminishing. So when we will start? So until 2007 it is diminishing. 2008 it's a straight line. Now I am into which year now? 2008.
2008.
Next got 920 is the balance carried out. Now here I said underline the two things. One is 2008 31st December and then with the retrospective effect. So first by depreciation. Now here as on this one we are changing to which method now? Straight line method.
The straight line.
I made you underline. What did I said? Underline that one. 31st December 2008. The company wants to change from diminishing balance method to straight line method. So that means on 31st December only we'll provide depreciation. So on 31st December we change the method. So what is the method? Now it is?
Line method. Straight line method.
So straight line method means what is that we'll go? Is it on a reduced balance or original balance?
Original
balance.
cost.
So original cost into 10%. So how much it will be now?
48,000.
48,000.
Yeah. So I'm going to calculate on a 48,000. Okay, understand? So 48,000. Now this is done. Until here it is clear. Now one thing I made you underline, that is from 31st December 2008 we are changing from diminishing balance to straight line method with the retrospective effect. So I made you underline that also, no, that is with the retrospective I have told you now. So now with whenever it is with the retrospective effect, it means that we have to go for adjusting the change in depreciation. We should adjust the amount of change in depreciation. So how it will be calculated, I'll tell you. This is retrospective effect is that wherein the change in method will affect the value of asset per share. That is the reason whenever a change in method is provided with retrospective effect, then the change in depreciation is adjusted into the asset account so that it does not have fluctuations in the present. Like this. Okay, na? So retrospective is the effect wherein the change in the method will definitely affect the value of the asset for sure. So that is the reason whenever a change in method is provided, with the retrospective effect, then the change in the depreciations is adjusted into the asset account so that it does not fluctuate in the current year profit. So this is about a retrospective effect. Now, how this actually done in the practice? So that we are going to do. So change in depreciations, he said no. So change in depreciations we are going to do. So what is that change in depreciations? How I'm going to do is, first I'll calculate change in depreciation, total of change in depreciation. So total of depreciations according to old method, that is DBM, which is, how much is the old method first year depreciation? So first year depreciation is 48,000, right? Second year depreciation is how much? 43,200.
40,
Third year depreciation is
200,
how much?
ma'am.
Yeah, for third year depreciation is
38,880.
so total of depreciation is how much?
48,000, ma'am.
Total depreciation అన్న total of depreciation అని రాశాను కదా పైన. సో టోటల్ చెప్పాలి, ఆ 3 అమౌంట్స్ కలిపి చెప్పాలి.
1,30,080.
1,30,080, correct. So now one total I got it. So this one I'm going to keep it here. So 1 lakh total, this one. This is one total of the old method depreciations. Now likewise I should have a total of new method depreciations also, no? So here I'm going to take this one, that is total of depreciation according to the new method, that is SLM. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఎంత నాన్న? ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఇస్లాం అయితే సేమ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, 3 years స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ మెథడ్ ప్రకారం ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది, ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఎంత ఉందో ప్రతి ఇయర్ కూడా అంతే ఉంటుంది కదా. సో 48,000 థర్డ్ ఇయర్ 48,000 అంతే కదా. సో ఎస్ఎల్ఎం అంటే 3 years సేమ్ ఉంటుంది కదా. సో హౌ మచ్ ఇట్ విల్ బి?
1,44,000.
So ఇది మన న్యూ మెథడ్ ప్రకారం depreciation. So now using these two things I'll try to find out my solution. So how it is that? So retrospective change in method, change in amount, how we'll find out is change in depreciations is equal to old method depreciations minus new method depreciations. So that is old method total we got 1,30,80 minus new 144,000. So how much we got?
1,000.
Answer is equal to
13,920
13
minus 13,920.
minus it, we'll get it, isn't it? So here what is that he's saying, as per old method what we were following a diminishing balance method, so total 3 years depreciation it was only 1,30,080, but as per the new method it should be how much? Now when I change the method, for me which method is important? New method, no? నేను ఏ మెథడ్కి అయితే మారిపోతున్నాను నాకు ఇప్పుడు ఆ మెథడ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనమాట. సో ఐఎమ్ చేంజింగ్ టు విచ్ మెథడ్ నౌ? ఐఎమ్ యాక్చువల్లీ చేంజింగ్ టు
Straight line method.
straight line. So
Straight line method.
method is
Straight
important.
line.
Straight line method. So according to the straight line method, the depreciation should be 1,44,000. But we provided only how much? 1,30,000 change. So something less we are providing, no? So what here we are going to do is the whatever the depreciation which has to be provided, that is 13,920. Now I am going to adjust. So ఇది extra depreciation మనం charge చేయాలి కదా, and you know it, depreciation charge చేయాలంటే ఎక్కడ తీసుకుంటాం మనము? Which side we are going to show? On the right side, isn't it? All the time.
Credit side.
Credit
So,
sign, ma'am.
yeah, so here I'm going to write as by P&L excess depreciation which is 13,920.
920.
ఇలా మనం అడ్జస్ట్ చేస్తాం. అదే బై మిస్టేక్ ఇది ఇది ఓల్డ్ ఇది న్యూ అనుకుందాం, అప్పుడు ఓల్డ్ న్యూ మెథడే నాది డిమినిషింగ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ అనుకుందామా. సో న్యూ మెథడ్ ప్రకారం డెప్రిసియేషన్ ఎంత ఉండాలి? 1,30,000 ఉండాలి.
38.
ప్రొవైడ్ చేసేస్తాం కదా. సో అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఇది మనకి రావాల్సిన అమౌంట్ ప్రాఫిట్ లాంటిది కదా, సో ఇది తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ వేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? లాస్ లాంటిది అయితే మనం ఇటేస్తాము, ప్రాఫిట్ అయితే ఇక్కడ వేస్తాం, తెలుసు కదా. ఈవెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ డన్ వెన్ వీ వేర్ సెల్లింగ్ ద గూడ్స్, వెన్ వీ వేర్ సెల్లింగ్ ది
Yes,
అసెట్.
ma'am.
సేమ్ అదే
Yes.
కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇక్కడ కూడా. సో న్యూ మెథడ్ ప్రకారం తక్కువ అనుకో అంటే సంథింగ్ బెనిఫిట్, సో ప్రాఫిట్ షుడ్ బి ఆన్ ద డెబిట్ సైడ్. బట్ న్యూ మెథడ్ ప్రకారం యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ excess we have to provide, so something loss, so we'll post it on the loss side. Okay, understand? Now you tell me what is the balance. So by
2,88,000.
2,88,000.
288,000.
What you understand how we have adjusted? So retrospective effect అని అన్నప్పుడు కంపల్సరీ ఈ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ డెప్రిసియేషన్ ఏదైతే చేంజ్ you have observed, no, as per the old method the depreciation is only how much? 1,30,000. As per new method there is a method of how much? 1,40,000. So
1,40,44.
is there a lot of difference or not? A countable difference అయితే
Yes.
ఉంది కదా. సో అందుకే మెథడ్ అనేది
Yes, ma'am.
మార్చకూడదు అంటారు, అందుకే మారకూడదు. మారితే అది ఫైనాన్షియల్ గా చాలా దెబ్బతీస్తుంది ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ని. So 14,000, 13,000 is not a small amount, isn't it? So it's going to affect definitely to us or not. అందుకే మెథడ్ అస్సలు మార్చకూడదు.
Yes.
సో మెథడ్ మారినప్పుడు మాత్రం అగైన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ ద సేమ్. ఇస్ ఇట్ రెట్రోస్పెక్టివ్ ఆర్ వాట్? So if it is a retrospective, then what we have done like that we have to do. So what is the value? 2,88,000. Now in we
88,000.
have changed with statements, no? So directly I'll go with calculating a depreciation. So by
depreciation.
Now here onwards,
48,000.
yeah, here onwards it is SLM method only.
48,000.
48,000. So balance will be how much?
2,40,000.
Balance carry
2,40,000.
2,40,000.
2,40,000. That's it. So this I'm going to write into the next year as
2010
January,
first
right?
January.
To balance
To balance brought down.
brought down, which is 2,40,000.
40,000.
Is this clear, ma? So this kind of a process we have to do whenever he says it is a retrospective effect. If he's not using the word, for example, just see the 15th problem. I'll read out. A company bought a second-hand machinery. Please listen carefully. Machinery on 1st January 2003 for 37,000 and immediately spent 2,000 in repairs and 1,000 for erection. So total of asset value is how much? 40. On July 1st, 2004, it purchased another machinery for 10 and its 1st July 2005, it sold off first machine for 28,000 and bought another machine for 25,000. 1st July 2006, second machine was also sold off for 2,000. Depreciation was provided on machinery 10% per annum on original cost annually on 31st December. In 2004, however, the company changed the method of providing depreciation and adapted the written down value method with a rate of depreciation 15% per annum. Repair machinery account for the 4 years commencing from acquisition of the first machine. Do anywhere did I come across the word retrospective? Full sum
No, ma'am.
So ila change of
No,
method
ma'am.
ani annappudu, if he does not use the word retrospective, then you are not going to do whatever I'm doing now. You're not going to do it. Simply you're going to change the method. But if any time if he is giving a word retrospective అని అంటే మాత్రం మనం చేయాల్సిందే ఈ ప్రొసీజర్ లో కంపల్సరీ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? That 15th tomorrow I'll tell you. So everyone just take down a screenshot. Meanwhile, I'll take attendance. Is this clear? No, it's easy only actually.